Ever used an app that just feels right, fast, intuitive, even delightful, and then found yourself thinking, why aren't all apps like this? And hey, why does this one drain less of my battery? What if I told you that behind those amazing experiences are designers making one critical choice, embracing sustainable UX? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you care about digital design, your carbon footprint, and building user experiences that last, not just look pretty for a week, then this is the episode for you. Today we're diving deep into sustainable UX design tips that actually work. Stick around because these aren't theory. These are battle-tested, real methods you can start using today. And by the way, if you want more UX deep dives and creative tips that make your work stand out, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Let's build smarter, greener, and more impactful products together. Let's get on the same page. Sustainable UX isn't just about lowering carbon emissions. Though that's huge, it means building digital products that require less energy to use and update, last longer, without constant redesigns, prioritize accessibility, inclusivity, and digital well-being. Respect the planet and your users' time and attention. So it's eco-friendly, but it's just as much about future-proofing your designs. Quick quiz. What do you think is the carbon footprint of one overly complicated website? Here's a fun fact. A heavy, unoptimized homepage can generate up to 0.2 grams of CO2 per page view. Multiply that by millions of users. You get the idea. Our design decisions do change the world. Besides, users are getting wiser. They notice when a product lags, hogs data, or just feels bloated. Sustainable UX isn't just a nice to have. It's a competitive edge. Old school UX. More features, brighter, fancier. But sustainable designers ask, how do we do more with less? Start thinking simplification, efficiency, clarity. Like that chef who cooks a world-class meal from 3 fresh ingredients, sustainable UX means stripping away the unnecessary, honing in on what matters. Ready to get actionable? Let's break down the top tips with stories, data, and why didn't I do this sooner? Moments. Tip 1. Optimize images like a pro. 2 minutes. Large, unoptimized images are silent energy vampires. Use next-gen formats like WebP, set smart breakpoints for responsive images, and lazy load only when needed. Case study. A redesigned homepage for a nonprofit dropped load time from 9 seconds to under 2 seconds, plus halved their hosting costs. Tip 2. Streamline content and navigation. 2 minutes. Every extra page, every confusing menu. That's more code, more server requests, more user frustration. Build shorter, purpose-driven journeys. Nix deadweight content. Bonus, clearer navigation improves accessibility and SEO too. Tip 3. Use dark mode and adaptive themes. 2 minutes, devices with OLED screens use less power on dark mode. Sometimes up to 60% battery savings. Let users choose. Bonus, dark mode is easier on many users' eyes and gives that premium feel. Tip 4. Design for longevity, not hype. 2 minutes. Avoid trends that will look outdated in a year. Choose timeless, quiet patterns that feel current year after year. Example. Government sites in Estonia are legendary for not needing major visual overhauls for a decade. Saves resources and headaches. Tip 5. Audit with real-world tools. 2 minutes. Use tools like EcoGrader, Google Lighthouse, or website Carbon Calculator. Don't guess. Measure the impact of your site or app, then set targets to improve. Real story. A SaaS company cut their app's footprint by 40% after a single audit, with better performance as a bonus. Tip 6. Embrace minimal code, modular systems. 2 minutes. Modern JavaScript frameworks are powerful, but easy to bloat. Only load what you need when you need it. Use modular design systems, components that can be reused and swapped without total recoding. Cleaner, greener, and easier to keep accessible. Here's a secret. Designs that prioritize user well-being almost always end up more sustainable. Fewer notifications, less FOMO, more focus. When you avoid dark patterns, misleading tricks, you're saving your users time and the planet's power. Audit one of your live products today. What's the top 3 energy hogs? Remember that opening scene? The difference between frustration and delight? That feeling is what sustainable UX delivers at every tap, swipe, and scroll. And it's not just the user who benefits. It's all of us now and into the future. If you learned one thing today, pay it forward. Share this episode with your colleagues, challenge your team to do a sustainability audit, or just try one tip and tell us your results below. Let's build digital experiences that delight both users and the planet, one screen at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more human-centered, future-ready UX tips. See you in the next video.